Hi. Here I present PPT on Dropbox. Contents. History. Introduction. Features. File syncing. File sharing. Backup and recovery. Security. Using Dropbox in education. Sharing assignments. Submitting assignments. Providing feedback and comments. Advantages. Disadvantages. Introduction. Dropbox is a cloud-based file storage and sharing service that allows users to store and access files from anywhere, using any device with an internet connection. It is available in both free and paid versions, with the paid versions offering additional features and storage space. Key features. Some of the key features of Dropbox include file syncing, file sharing, collaboration, backup and recovery. Security. Here I show screenshots to show other options available. And we can connect with other devices through scanning. But also you can put your email and password on application of Dropbox on more than one device. File syncing. Edit and save a file on one device, and it automatically syncs to your other Dropbox enabled devices. File sharing. Any file you save to the public folder is assigned a public link you can share with others. You can also invite specific people to share any other folder in your Dropbox folder. Online backup. When you save a file to your Dropbox folder, it's automatically backed up to Dropbox servers. Security. Provides high level of security. Use AES 256-bit encryption technique. Two-step verification is done before login. Nobody can see private files in Dropbox unless they are invited or they're in the public folder. Using Dropbox in education. Dropbox can be a valuable tool for teachers and students in educational settings. Here are some ways: file sharing and collaboration. Assignment submission and grading. Access to resources from anywhere. Backup and recovery. Organization and file management. You can provide each student with a Dropbox folder, so only you and that student can see it. Sharing assignments. Create a Dropbox account. Create a folder for the class. Upload the assignment. Share the folder with students. Set permissions. Communicate the assignment details. Upload any file on Dropbox. Then there are some options to share pop-up. You can choose according to your need. Through this process, you can share project schedule and manage and organize syllabus. You can choose sharing through Dropbox. Then this will pop up. You can share through email. Then have the options to other person can edit the file or only view it. Submitting assignments. Students can submit their tasks or assignments through following these steps. Create a Dropbox account. Access the shared class folder. Locate the assignment. Edit or complete the assignment. Share the assignment with the teacher. Providing feedback and comment. Teachers can use Dropbox commenting feature to provide feedback on student work. Here's a detailed explanation of how teachers can use Dropbox commenting feature. Upload the student's work. Open the file in Dropbox. Add a comment. Highlight specific text. Reply to comments. Resolve comments. When you opens the file, there is the option to comment on right side of window. Dropbox advantages. Easy file sharing. Automatic syncing. Large storage space. File backup. Compatibility with other apps. Security. Access from anywhere. Dropbox disadvantages. Limited free storage. Limited control over file sharing. Internet dependence. Pricing. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to my channel.